to an investor looking for premium market opportunities? Presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Hello, I'm Rachel Jones and this is Kalkine TV's Trending News. Now, Donald Trump has been in the news a lot lately. Let's take a closer look at that case. The Manhattan District Attorney's Office yesterday unveiled charges against him over hush money payments to suppress accounts of his alleged extramarital affairs. This made him the first former US president to face criminal charges. So what actually is he accused of doing? Well, prosecutors charged Trump with 34 felony counts for falsifying business records related to a catch-and-kill scheme to suppress negative news stories about him ahead of the 2016 election. During the campaign, Trump's former personal lawyer, Michael Cohen, paid porn star Stormy Daniels $130,000 for her silence on an affair she said she had with Trump. Now, Trump denies the allegations and the affairs, but he has admitted to reimbursing Cohen for his payment to Daniels. He has called the investigation a politically motivated witch hunt and pleaded not guilty during his first court appearance yesterday. Taken together, the charges carry a maximum of 136 years in prison under New York law. But any prison sentence following a guilty verdict would almost certainly be far less than that. Trump would also certainly appeal any conviction. It is against New York state law to make a false entry into a company's records, while falsification of business records on its own is just a misdemeanor, meaning it's punishable by a sentence of less than 1 year. It's considered a felony punishable by up to 4 years in prison if it's done to conceal or further other crimes. In this case, it's reported those other crimes include alleged election law violations. Cohen pleaded guilty in 2018 to federal charges of causing an unlawful campaign contribution and making an excessive campaign contribution tied to the scheme. The U.S. Attorney's Office in Manhattan has not charged Trump, who it referred to in its charging document against Cohen as individual one, with any crime. Trump's claim that Stormy Daniels was extorting him may not be relevant to the case, because of the charge focuses on his company's false accounting of the payments as legal expenses. The statute of limitations is unlikely to be an issue, as it does not count time a defendant spends living outside of New York State. And Trump lived in Washington, D.C. while he was president and has lived in Florida since leaving office in 2021. Well, I hope that explains a little bit of the case. We'll bring you the latest here on Kalkine as soon as we hear. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.